What's up guys, welcome to the FOMO Factory. My name is Menno and this video is going to be super useful in my opinion because this is a bear market, and in a bear market you typically don't really make a lot of money. But what if you can make a passive crypto income in the bear market, which can easily 10 or 20x in the next bull market? So every dime you make right now could make you a lot of money. Most of these ways are passive, that's why the title says doesn't that much ways to make a passive income. There are 2-3 ways maybe. You have to do a little bit of effort for. But like I said, in the bull market, every dollar you earn right now can 10-20x in the bull market, you know, if you are investing it into good projects. So with that being said, welcome to the FOMO Factory. Subscribe to the channel would help me a lot. You would help yourself a lot as well. Try to be here every day on, what is it, 15 p.m. UTC? I don't know about time zones. Just check it out whenever I'm here. Let's take a look at a couple of ways to earn crypto in the bear market. The first way to earn passive income in the bear market is by staking your crypto. It sounds very obvious, but do you really take your portfolio once in a while and every coin that you have, you're checking it out deeply, like, hey, I got Joe in my portfolio, for example. Can I stake Joe? Where can I stake Joe, right? Because now coins, and I take Joe now for example, but this reflects a lot of altcoins basically, right? Joe is sitting at around $5, all right? It's now 28 cents. Okay, I think Joe is a good project, and therefore I think at the peak of the next bull run, Joe will at least go back to its all-time high, which is almost a 20x, all right? If you can get some free Joe right now, that's great, because if you buy it right now, let's say you put $1,000 into Joe, for example, you get doesn't that much Joe, but every Joe you will get more out of it now, but you also get more passively, and that you can sell for a high price in the next bull run. So this is really... This will really make you a lot of money. You will get more in return than that you will invest right now. So let's say I invest $1,000 into Joe. I get 3,500 Joe right now, okay? These 3,500 Joe, if you get 10% on that, for example, I get 350 Joe for free. But if Joe goes back to its all-time high, which is not that crazy, right? Which is $5, then you have $1,750 for free on an investment of $1,000. That's insane, but that's basically how it works, because people in the bear market, they give up, and the people that don't give up, well, they get the profits, right? So how do you know where you can stake kind of project like that? Just go to your portfolio, like I said, check out every single project. But there's one website that helps you a lot with it, and that's CoinDex. And CoinDex.com shows you all the chains and all the projects being built on that chain and where you can stake it. It doesn't have every single platform, but a lot it has. So for example, I was just checking out Joe. Okay, Joe is built on AVAX, on Avalanche. Okay, so we go for AVAX and we search for the symbol Joe in this case. And we press search. Then you can choose, like, what do you want to do? Do you just want a single stake? Do you want to LP stake? Do you want all defaults? No impermanent loss? Stable coins? In this case, I will go for a single stake a lot. It doesn't show it right now at the moment. I don't know exactly why, because there are places where you can stake it. So like I said, CoinDex isn't always accurate and spot on with this kind of stuff, but definitely worth to check it out. If we go to, for example, Phantom, which is also in my portfolio, then I can search for Phantom, and here you have all faults, so you can see, oh, I can stake Phantom, LP staking Phantom, Boo, right? Where? Spooky Swap. Okay, you get a 43% APR. Hey, APY, sorry, that's crazy. So if you go to single stake, so and you filter on APY, where can you stake Phantom? You can stake Phantom on Tarot, for example. You can stake Phantom on Iron Bank, on Cream, on, well, more and more. Beefy should be somewhere here as well. Yearn. I wouldn't recommend putting all your Phantom into one single pool, because if something happens to that project, then you'll lose your Phantom as well, so spread your chances. But 6% is still a lot in a bear market. It doesn't look like a lot because it's not 120,000%, but this is actually sustainable, right? So that's really a way to do it. Second is running a masternode, a node, and that's pretty expensive usually to get in, but if you have some money to spare and you feel like this is a good investment, then running a node is a very good idea. This is Gala Films, for example. Gala Film is a new thing that Gala does. They you know, owning the game industry. They're working on the music industry, and now they want to go into the film industry as well. I personally bought a film note. You can buy a note right here. At the moment, a note costs you around $5,000, so that is quite a lot. There are enough other projects with more expensive or more cheaper notes. The rewards in this specific case are not really clear yet, because you get Gala film tokens, but how much, when, what are the tokenomics, all that kind of stuff. No information yet. So in this case, pretty high risk, high reward, but running a node is a very good way to do it. I have my node running, and as you can see right here, my node. In this case, I will get popcorn. And popcorn is kind of an NFT, and the more popcorn you have, the more you will get distributed once these tokens get out and will get distributed. So for me, it's absolutely unclear what it's going to do. But usually, and Gala is a big project, so I trust that, but usually nodes are a great way to make passive income. It's just that it's only, you know, more expensive to get in. But what you basically do is you're contributing to the network and you get reward for that. Then this is not passive income, but this is an income, guys. These are faucets, and faucets are pretty much from back in the day, but now that it's a, you know, bear market, it is really rewarding again. What a faucet basically is, they give you free Bitcoin. In this case, it's freebitco.in. Links in the description of the video. Here you can claim free Bitcoin every hour, and depending on what you draw, you can get 9 Satoshi, 90, 900, 9,000, 90,000, or 900,000 Satoshi. And this really adds up. This is a big faucet, so they have lotteries, they have extra tickets, they have all good stuff to make a lot more. But this really adds up. I have 0.002 Bitcoin for complete free by just pressing a button every now and then. Look, I got 2 lottery tickets, 2 reward points, so you automatically playing in the lottery as well, for example, and that can give you a nice prize, because this was the last time someone won the lottery. 0.12 Bitcoin. That is fucking insane. That's a lot. That's a lot. And you know, this guy had 25 million tickets. This guy had 200 tickets. It's really random. I really love it because, you know, the lower Bitcoin gets, the more rewards you will get. So when Bitcoin is $30,000 again, this will maybe be 6 Satoshi. Now in a bear market, it is actually worth it, man. They have an app as well, so just once in an hour, click a button, done. And you know, you might be thinking like, yeah, but why do they give away free Bitcoin? It's very simple. They have ads. If you accidentally click an ad, you go to the website, and these advertisers, they pay this platform. So it's a win-win-win situation for everybody, basically. And this has been, I use this for years now. If there's all these faucet platforms, they gave up, they couldn't afford it anymore, they went down, whatever. I even had a free Doge faucet where you really got like 500 Dogecoin every fucking hour. Well, when Dogecoin was worth nothing, right? So, and I gave it all away again. Hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's sweaty, it's fucking warm in here. But this one is still going strong, and that's what I like so much, man. Also, if you have enough referrals, they make a little money for you. As you can see, I have 250 referrals here. So every time someone of my referrals use it, they get what they get, but I get a little bit extra as well. So if you have people that refer you, then it is actually passive income, because I don't need to use this website. I'm getting a little Satoshi every day, but a little, like I said, 0.002 adds up, especially in the bull run. When Bitcoin is 100K, this will be a lot more, and then I can cash it out. Speaking about referrals, Binance, KuCoin, whatever you use, you have a referral link right there, right? People pay a little fees to the platform to use the platform. But if you use a referral link, these fees will partly go to you instead of the platform, right? Because they got an extra participant, so they don't mind to give a little money to you. So if you have a lot of referrals, if you have a big network, if you know some friends, family that want to go in crypto, and you'd be like, man, if you're gonna sign up on KuCoin or Binance or whatever, just use my link. So if you do not have an account there, my links are in the description. If you already have one, great. If you don't have it, might as well use that one. There's nothing to lose, and that's what I like about that kind of stuff. The next way to make a good income is by checking out really my other channel, FOMotion, my bigger channel, right? FOMotion channel, there are two ways to make money right here. One, in every video that I make, I give away $15 worth of BUSD. So I always ask you a question, and if you comment the right answer, then you can win $15 just as a thank you for the interaction, right? So that's way number one. And way number two, I talk about micro caps, new projects there. New projects usually have giveaways, that kind of stuff to promote themselves, right? So if you check out these projects, even though if you don't invest in these projects, go to the Telegram, for example, and just check out these pinned messages like, oh, contest going on, giveaway going on. These kind of projects usually give away some money. And like I said, it's now a bear market. Again, every dollar you make could be $10 or $20 in the near future. So with that in mind, it's not that bad to work, you know, to do something for maybe just $10 every week, because that's $40 every month right now. I'm just throwing up a random number, but it could be $400, $500 every single month in the future. Way number, I don't know, Seedify in this case, but I basically just mean Launchpads. If you have Launchpad tokens, you can stake them right here, but we already talked about staking. But if you participate in launches, you will get these tokens vested, right? So let's say you, let's go to the IGO Launchpad right here. And we take a look at the following upcoming project, and that might be Haunted Space. Let's say you invest $500 into this platform. It comes out. It turns out to be a good project, and you will get $5,000 in return, because Launchpads, you know, 10x's are, even in a bear market, it happens quite a lot, especially with Seedify. So let's say you make $5,000, but you don't get them at once. You get them every month, or you get them linear, you know, every single day. That's a great way to put in some money right now and then get slowly all kind of income streams from Seedify that gives you money every day, every month. It's really nice to have. You know, I can claim free tokens from this platform. I can claim free tokens from Engine Starter, Paragen, SpinTop every single day, right? So I'm making a lot of money by doing nothing because I already did my investments and I'm in profit with it. The last one I got for you is mining. If you search, I don't have a specific one for you right now, but if you search for mining pools, your computer is just contributing to the mining pool. And now it doesn't seem like a lot, but like I said, prices are low. It will be a lot more. So if you, like me, just have your PC on all the time, might as well mine a little bit. You get some free crypto. And again, it's not a lot right now because we're in a bear market, but we're in a bull market. These little things really add up. Man, you can make a living out of this stuff. That's what I call mining your own business. So if you feel that was stupid, if you feel like, man, one of these ways, multiple of these ways, I didn't know, I didn't try at least. Probably you know, or you heard about a lot of them, but are you really doing it? Now is the time to put some extra effort in, man. I'll kid you not. So these were my tips for now. Let me know if you have some good ideas as well. Drop a comment. I'm very curious. Like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Let's get this to 1,000 subscribers, man. It's a brand new channel. We are all going to make it. It's just a little bit of hard work right now, but we will be rewarded, man. If you're here, you're going to make it. You are going to make it. Leave a comment. We are going to make it. I want to know that you're still watching, because if you do, you're gonna make it. Guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.